In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make nano banana optical illusion sculpture with Google Gemini. We'll walk through a simple, clear process to turn a regular beach photo into a mesmerizing optical illusion where the waves and sand twist into a 3D sculpture. By the end, you'll understand exactly what to click, what to type, and how to wait for the best results without guessing or getting lost. First, open your Gemini account. If you already use Gemini in your browser or app, just sign in and head to the main workspace. Make sure you're logged in with the account you usually use for creative tools so your access and settings are consistent. Keep your beach photo handy and already uploaded within Gemini so it's available when you craft your prompt. Next, click Tools, then select Create Image. This is the image generation area where Gemini can interpret your instructions and build visuals from your words and an uploaded image. If you don't immediately see the Create Image option, look for the Image Generation tool within the Tools or Creative Features panel. Once you're in, confirm that your uploaded beach photo is recognized or linked in this session, so Gemini knows which source image to reference. Now it's time to enter your prompt. Be clear and specific so Gemini understands your intent. Type. Using the uploaded beach photo, transform the scene into a stunning optical illusion sculpture where the waves and sand form a twisting 3D structure. This phrasing tells Gemini the exact style, subject, and transformation you want. It should treat the shoreline elements like sculptable material, twisting them into a three-dimensional illusion while keeping the beach as the base context. If you like, within the same prompt, you can emphasize realism, smooth contours, and balanced lighting, but keep the core request centered on the twisting 3D structure made from waves and sand. Avoid adding personal details or unrelated elements so the system focuses on the illusion effect. Then, wait patiently while Gemini generates your results. Image synthesis can take a moment as it interprets the prompt and the uploaded photo. Don't interrupt the process or repeatedly resubmit. That can reset the progress and slow things down. Give it time to finish the first render so you can see how well the illusion reads from a normal viewing distance. If the preview appears in stages, let it fully resolve before judging the depth and twist of the structure. That's the entire workflow. Open your Gemini account, go to Tools and Create Image, enter the precise prompt using your uploaded beach photo, and wait patiently for generation. Enjoy creating your nano banana style optical illusion sculpture.